What's up? Today we're going to talk about sandblasting. I'm Kenny Young, Newman Tractor. Today we're at Newman Tractor, Ridgewood, Kentucky, and we're talking about sandblasting and paint jobs. And you know, a big key to painting this equipment is the prep work. Sandblast, it's something we do weekly, and it's a dying art, and there's very few places in the area that sandblast anymore. One of the upsides to sandblasting, it helps with adhesive and it cuts down on sand time. This is my sandblasting helmet. It's made by Clemco. It's really cool because on like a really hot day, it has like this air condition you can turn on, and it's fresh air the whole time you're sandblasting, so it's really cool. Or you could also turn it over on a cold day and then this turns to heat. Something I've been using for about 12 years now.
We got her all blowed off, ready to head to the paint shop to do some more prep work, and we'll see you next time.